As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, and I'm kind of stuck. One's the Classic Series 2-burner, and the other is the Performance Series TRU Infrared 3-burner. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I saw those. The Classic is way cheaper, right? Like $139. The Performance is around $311. Is that worth the extra cash? What are you looking for in a grill?
Well, price is definitely a factor, but I also want something that cooks well. The Classic has 2 burners and a side burner and 20,000 BTUs. The cooking area is 280 square inches.
Okay, so the Performance is bigger. It's got 3 burners and that TRU infrared cooking system. They claim it prevents flare-ups and cooks juicier food. That might be worth it if you're serious about grilling. It also has a higher BTU rating at 34,000.
So bigger cooking area too?
Definitely. 600 square inches total, with 450 on the main grates. Plus, the side burner has a higher BTU at 10,000.
That sounds nice. The Classic's grates are just porcelain-coated wire, but what about the Performance?
Those are porcelain-coated steel. They say they resist rust better and are easier to clean. Plus, that TRU infrared system probably helps with even cooking.
Yeah, even cooking is important. I hate having some parts burnt and others raw. The Classic just has control knobs, while the Performance has electronic ignition. That sounds easier.
Oh yeah, no more fiddling with lighters. The Performance also has a temperature gauge on the lid, which is handy.
True. What about size and weight? I don't want something huge.
The Classic is lighter, around 37.5 pounds. The Performance is a hefty 85 pounds. Dimensions-wise, the Performance is wider but similar in depth and height.
Okay, so the Performance is bigger and heavier, but it's got more cooking space, better grates, and TRU infrared. And it's got a higher rating. I guess it comes down to whether I want to spend the extra money for those features.
Exactly. If you grill a lot, the Performance might be a good investment. But if you just need something basic for occasional burgers, the Classic might be fine.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.